The shockingly simple habit that changed everything and how AI made it easy. For most of my life, my financial philosophy was simple. If the bills were paid, I wasn't worried. And you know what? Everything usually worked out. But looking back now, I can barely believe it took me until the age of 68 to learn the most valuable financial exercise of my life. I can't help but wonder how much more I would have saved if I had started earlier. Many of us relate to that, right? As long as bills are paid, we assume we're fine. We shy away from tracking because it feels like deprivation. But here's the mind-blowing twist from my own experience. Consistent money tracking isn't about cutting back. It's about unlocking more fun and significantly increasing savings. It completely flips the script. So what finally pushed me to start? It wasn't a crisis, it was an adventure. In March 2021, right after my wife and I got our COVID vaccines, we drove to Mazatlan, Mexico. We were considering retiring there, and I thought it would be fun to track every penny to see if it's cheaper. Every single cent, even a bottle of water, got logged, and that simple curiosity sparked a habit that stuck. Even after we moved to Arizona in 2023, I'm still tracking every cent in June 2025. And the outcome? Significantly increased savings without sacrificing fun. Now, I started with a basic Google spreadsheet. And while it worked, it was incredibly tedious. Getting receipts for everything, entering each expenditure. Imagine doing that for 20 minutes every single day, especially after travel. Tolls, meals, gas, hotels. For most people, that level of manual labor is a non-starter. It's not a lack of desire, it's a lack of accessible tools. If the process is a huge chore, it simply won't last. This is where AI changed everything for me. I turned to ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude for help. And I used a simple but powerful prompt. I want to start tracking my spending, but I do not know where to start or what apps exist that can help me. My goal is to reduce spending and increase my savings. Ask me any questions that will help you guide me. That prompt worked like magic. The AI asked smart follow-up questions: what device I used, my comfort level, free or paid options, how I manage money. This personalized interaction was the key to finding a tool that fit my life, not someone else's. The amazing part? Both ChatGPT and Gemini recommended the same core apps. From those, I chose Quicken Simplifi. And honestly, I wish I'd started using Quicken years ago. Connecting my credit cards and bank accounts was simple. Simplifi imported everything, categorized it automatically, gave me instant snapshots. It also sent me alerts when big purchases or deposits came in. That shifts tracking from a tedious task into a helpful assistant. It's far easier than any spreadsheet, and it saves me time and energy. That's the holy grail of financial consistency. It has to be easy. My recommendation? Start tracking your income and expenses today. Here's the thing, you cannot fix what you do not measure. While subscribing to an app like Simplifi is great, I strongly encourage you to start by using your favorite AI first. Use the same prompt I shared. You'll get personalized recommendations and maybe insights you didn't expect. And honestly, using AI is fun. What new peace of mind will financial clarity unlock for you? Explore it for yourself. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more easy, practical ways to make AI work for your everyday life. Thanks for watching. See you next week.